Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel, Forensic Mart. Today we are here with case study related to forensic science. Topic: Ted Bundy case study. Background information: birth name Theodore Robert Cowell, born November 24, 1946, died January 24, 1989. Cause of death homicide, execution by electrocution, conviction murders, rape, kidnapping, aggravated, thief, sentenced, death penalty. Number of victims 30, 36 plus. Country where killing took place United States. States Washington, Utah, Florida, Colorado, Oregon, California, Idaho. Washington murders. Victim 1, midnight, January 4, 1974. He entered basement bedroom of 18-year-old Johnny Lenz, a dancer and student at UW. He bludgeoned her with a metal rod from a bed frame while she was sleeping, sexually assaulted her. Victim 2, Linda Ann Healy, another UW student. He broke into her room, knocked her unconscious, dressed her in jeans and a shirt, wrapped her in a bed sheet, and then kidnapped her. Then he began with his kidnapping one woman every month. Donna Manson, age 19, abducted from Evergreen College. Suzanne Rancourt, abducted from Central Washington campus, man with sling. Kathy Parks, Brenda Ball Traveler, not reported missing for 3 weeks. Brenda Baker, aged 15, ran away. Denise Noslin, at 4:30 p.m., left her boyfriend and went to washroom but never came back. Janice Ott, at 12:30 in afternoon, the man in the sling asked for help with his sailboat at the lake. Utah murders. Nancy Wilcox, age 16-year-old cheerleader. Melissa Smith, age 17, seen hitchhiking. Body found nude, beaten, raped, sodomized, strangled with her own stocking. Twigs and dirt stuffed inside her vagina, and her makeup had been touched up by the killer before dumping the body. Laurie Amy, age 17, kidnapped after leaving for party. Debbie Kent, aged 17, disappeared from the high school. Karen Campbell, kidnapped from inside the hotel, walking 50 feet from the elevator to her room. Dennis Oliverson, kidnapped after leaving her parents' house, sandals and bag found in viaduct. Melanie Cooley, found with pillowcase tied around her neck. Lynette Culver, aged 13, snatched from school playground, took her to Holiday Inn, raped her and drowned her in the bathtub. On August 16, 1975, Colorado Highway patrolman noticed a suspicious vehicle in his neighborhood. Mugshots shown to relaunch and the high school drama teacher arrested for attempted kidnapping. He fires his attorney and defends himself until he escapes from prison by jumping out of a cornfloor window at the courthouse. On December 30, 1977, he hacked his way through an old welded light fixture in his cell ceiling and crawled through to a deputy's living quarters, put on same civilian clothes and walked out. Bus to Denver, flies to Chicago, steals a bus, drives to Tallahassee, Florida, gets an apartment near college campus. Florida murders. January 15, 1978, early hours of Super Bowl Sunday, broke into Chi Omega sorority house, murdered 2 and severely injured 2 others, sexually assaulted 2. After leaving the Chi Omega house, he broke into another house a short distance away and assaulted Cheryl Thomas. Left Tallahassee for Lake City, Florida. Kidnapped, raped, murdered 12-year-old Kimberly Leach and dumped her body under a pig shed. February 15, 1978, stopped by a Pensacola officer who ran Bundy's car's plates and saw that the car was reported stolen. January 24, 1989, executed by electrocution. It is ordered that you be put to death by a current of electricity. That current be passed through your body until you are dead. It is an utter tragedy for this court to see such a total waste of humanity as I've experienced in this courtroom. You're a bright young man. You have had a good lawyer, and I would have loved to have your practice in front of me. But you went another way, partner.